Hey friends, let us be real. How many times have you fought with a vacuum that promised to change your life but ended up being more like a clingy ex-loud needy and never picking up what you actually wanted? I've been there. That's why today I am talking about the Bissell CleanView Swivel Vacuum with triple action brush roll, swivel steering, extension wand, easy empty dirt tank, Multi-Cyclonic Suction System, the 2024 model. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know if this is a vacuum that finally saved your sanity and why you can check out the full article in the description and pin comment. The biggest complaint with vacuums: weak suction. You've got pet hair, crumbs, and dust multiplying overnight and your vacuum just shrugs. Been there. But the Bissell CleanView Swivel? This one has a multi-cyclonic suction system powerful enough to pull up cat hair kibble, even those sneaky hairballs hiding in the carpet. I used to own a Dyson stick and despite the hype, it was awful. Tiny bin, constant filter cleaning, and honestly it just didn't suck. The CleanView is the opposite: real suction, a big dirt tank, and one button emptying that makes the whole process painless. Now let's talk maneuverability. Because dragging a clunky vacuum around furniture feels like a workout no one asked for, the swivel steering on this Bissell makes it glide. Honestly, it's like salsa dancing, smooth, flexible, and it gets into corners without breaking a sweat. Plus, it's lightweight, so carrying it upstairs doesn't feel like hauling gym equipment. What about floors? The triple action brush roll is a star here on bare floors, rugs, or high-pile carpets. You just twist the knob to adjust height, easy, and it works. The brush lifts debris without kicking it backward. For pet owners, the attachments are great too. The hose and wand combo tackle edges and upholstery. Full disclosure, the pet hair cleaning head sometimes pops off its holder while vacuuming. Annoying, sure, but once it's in use, it grabs for like a champ. Another detail that matters more than you think: the cord on this model. It's long enough to stretch across rooms, so no constant unplugging. Pair that with the easy empty dirt tank and you've got less hassle, less mess, and way more satisfaction. Now, here's the neuromarketing side. People don't buy vacuums just for clean floors. We buy them for peace of mind, for less stress, for that instant relief when you realize your place is finally fresh, dust-free, and pet hair-free. That's why this Bissell connects emotionally. It solves the mess and the frustration. You feel in control, proud of your space, maybe even showing off your carpets. I know I do. And the best part, it doesn't wreck your budget. I replaced a pricier vacuum with this one, and honestly it cleans just as well, maybe better. So here's a takeaway: if you're done with weak suction, messy emptying, short cords, and vacuums that feel more like enemies than helpers, the Bissell CleanView Swivel Vacuum 2024 is a dream. Strong suction, easy cleaning, versatile for carpets and hardwood floors, and actually pet-friendly. Check the link in the description and pinned comment for the full breakdown with specs, facts, and buying tips. Don't settle for frustration. Make cleaning easy, efficient, and maybe even fun. Because life's too short to fight with your vacuum.